Man, oh man, has this been an amazing week for the Profits Passport system, including myself. I've had an absolutely amazing, it's actually been like an amazing last 2 weeks. I think I've done almost 6,000 and I'm not even pushing hard yet. I mean, I'll be honest with y'all. I'm dealing a lot in my warm market, pushing a little bit of solo ads here and there. But man, if it's this hot now, I mean, it's just going to be awesome later. So um, actually, let me share my screen. You know what? I was telling David we need to rename this program, this system. Oops, did I just hit mute? Yeah, so I was saying that we should rename it the Sweet Dream System because so many people wake up and they say, "I woke up to this, I woke up to that." So let's kind of look at some of the testimonials here. My buddy, my big brother from another mother, Ontarian Hawkins, had a quick $100 come in. That was about 37 minutes ago, just relaxing on the couch. Phone went off. Here's $100. So I just put a little emoji there. My little brother, Pierre Baker, man, this guy is unbelievable, just unbelievable. Look at this, his first $2,000 day. I mean, within the last few weeks, I mean, he's doing a lot more than me because he's out there hustling. I mean, I've got, a few things going on and, my time is being spread between different projects. But if you focus on this, and that's what David says, just focus on this one thing. It's going to make you a lot of money. Pierre is proof. I mean, this young man is just crushing it the last couple of weeks. David Jackson, he had a beautiful day today. He had a 250 sale and a $2,000 sale there. So really cool. Who else? Oh yeah, me. I had a sale. That was a couple hours ago, about what, six and a half hours ago, Friday night. Deacle dollars. That's what I coined that phrase for David Deacle. Said, everybody's making money with David Deacle's system, so we shall call him Deacle dollars. So I got that hashtag going. And David finally caught on tonight. So if you look through these, David posted himself on a dollar bill, $100 bill actually. Those are the new Deagle dollars. So like I said, not only that, we're having fun in here. We're having a lot of fun, which is really cool. And Albert, he has messages all over the place. $100 here, $100 there. So good day for him too. And this is mine from last night. This was pretty cool. This sale came totally on automation. It was probably just from a follow-up email. I know where it came from. It came from one of my solo ad vendors, one of my good vendors, but it didn't come right away. It came through a follow-up email. And that's what's so important to understand here is that not everybody will buy the first time they see something. Okay. Sometimes people have to see things a few times. On top of that, David has people watching this 1 hour webinar when they create their account. Okay. Before they create their account, actually, there's a video with the 1 hour presentation and then you can create your account. All right. So, some people don't have time to watch the 1 hour video right then and there. Some people have to come back later. Some people forget, but that's why David has these follow-up emails to kind of bring them back to square one. It's like, okay, go ahead and watch this video and get involved. So that's what's really, really cool about the system. It's got a very powerful follow-up. So this sale came in, and when it came in, I noticed their phone number. It's like, oh, they're local. Not only are they local, they live in the same town. They probably live maybe 30, 40 minutes away from me, if that. So that was pretty cool. So I actually got on a phone call with them last night and just wanted to introduce myself. They're local and everything. It's really cool. So and they might even upgrade now that they've talked to me and I've really explained the program and showed them a couple of my YouTube videos. They see the power of this program, so they might go ahead and upgrade as well. So we shall see. And Jeff, he had a monster day today, $3,300. Wow. Just been relaxing, playing Call of Duty. That's nice. So that's cool, right? When you get to play video games or spend time with your kids or spend time with your wife or your husband, and these sales come in. Anyways, another. So he had $1,000. So yeah, he's already done 10,000 for the week. So my 6,000, which was good. I mean, there's people that are just crushing numbers right now. 3 payments rolled in. So anyways, bottom line is I don't want people to think, oh, I can't do this. This doesn't work. You can't make money online. It's a scam. Trust me, this stuff works. You just have to be consistent and you do have to be a little bit patient. Okay. Because like I said, they have to watch a 1 hour webinar before they kind of realize what's going on here. All right. So let the follow-ups do its work. Keep pushing traffic. Look at Deb. This is so easy. Thank you for David for doing another cool $100 while I was sleeping. That's why I like to call it the sweet dream system. As long as you're pushing traffic, there's the opportunity to wake up and see an alert that says you made some mail. And look at Paolo. Yeah, another $600 there. That guy's a machine. Seeing Jeff's name a lot. So Jeff's been pushing a lot of traffic. And then there's Pierre again. So, and then there's Mary Beth. So, even though sometimes you see the same names over and over, there's other names too. Look, Scott, 2000, Sharon, 100. So, I mean, look, people are winning. See, even Rachel and Phoebe agree. All right. So anyways, that's enough with that. So let's go to I'll probably hit 10,000 this weekend. So things are looking really good. My account is doing great. I have a lot of unpaid members, so I have a lot of following up to do. But a lot of these unpaid members are from a while back before we launched, or before David launched the system. They're from a previous system. I had a lot, but I can reach out to them and let them know that, hey, look, we got this brand new system. Let me go ahead and close that so the computer doesn't slow down. So if you go to the leaderboard, okay, so like I said, I focus on the Vertex Pro level, the $1,000 level. That's where a majority of my focus goes, because I think that that's the sweet spot. That's what people want. People want to make $1,000 commissions. So if you go to that level, guess what, Nicholas? We have some great news. You're on the leaderboard. That's an awesome pop-up. And there I am. Number 3 in the last 30 days, number 7 in the last 3 months. Oh, wow, I'm on the top 6 months list too. Fantastic. So cool. I'm on 3 different boards, the last 6 months, last 3 months, last 30 days. This is kind of interesting because I've only been doing this for the last 30 days, but I guess my stats are good enough that it's gotten me on 3 lists. But again, like I said in a previous video, me being on this top 10 list or top 15 list, it's awesome. It makes me really happy. It makes me feel accomplished. But what I would like is for you to join my team and let me help you get on this leaderboard, because I would love to be able to post a screenshot and says, that's my teammate, that's my team member, that's somebody that I've been working with, and I've been able to help take them and elevate them into this position. And I know I can do it. It just depends on you and how hungry you are, how much you want it, how dedicated you are. If you're willing to invest in yourself, I'm willing to invest in you, meaning giving you my time, giving you my resources to get you where you need to go. All right, so that's pretty much all I had to say for tonight. It's Friday night. I don't want to bore everybody with a long video. I'll probably do some videos this weekend and do some more tutorials and explain the process better. But like I said, here, I got to pull up my trusty PowerPoint because I want to let you all know what you get if you do join my team. So let's go to my slides. That's the whole presentation. And I'll link it below where you can watch the whole presentation, but I just wanted to kind of get to the bonuses because that's what's important. All right. Bonus number 1, if you come in at the $500 level or below, you will get a free lead generation training with me. Because I've noticed that the people that come in at the $1,000 level or higher, they're usually in a better position to run paid traffic. Sometimes the people that come in the 500 position and lower, maybe they don't have as much money or resources to buy a lot of traffic, but it doesn't matter. Because if you've seen in the group, there's people like Pierre, who's really, really good at social media marketing. He's really good at putting himself out there and telling his story and engaging with people, and people will inbox him or ask him for more information, and he's able to make, he does buy traffic as well, but he's so good at social media marketing. And that's what I'm going to teach you here: how to generate free leads on social media, how to develop your daily method of operation so you're consistent about it every single day. I'll even give you a course on how to piggyback other people for high ticket sales, basically do what they're doing and how to leverage that. Okay. Bonus number 2, this is for the $1,000 level, that sweet spot that I was talking about. Okay, you're going to get a solo ad list building training with me. Okay, in that training, we're going to go over how solo ads work, how to build your list. And I have a private Facebook group, which you'll be able to join as well. So in that group, we're going to do trainings. I'm going to put a lot of knowledge. You're going to get basically all these things that I've been learning over the years, the tens of thousands of dollars I paid to different coaches to get to where I'm at. I'm going to share a lot of that knowledge in this group, but it's going to have an influence on list building. All right. because with list building, you'll be able to turn cold traffic into hungry buyers on autopilot. And you're going to find out why the money's not in the list. The list is very important. The list is your asset, but the money's actually in the follow-up, because if you have a list and you're not actually emailing them, then the list is going to go stale. It's kind of worthless. You got to engage your audience. You got to email them on a regular basis. You don't have to overdo it. You don't have to send them multiple emails a day, but you want to be consistent about it, where people anticipate your emails and you give such good value that they want to open your emails and read it. Okay. I'm also going to teach you how to generate passive income over and over every single month. So even though like these, big, $1,000 here, $2,000 there, that's fine. But then there's also ways to make these little payments that come in month after month. And those are good too, because if you know money is going to come in month after month, then at least you have like money you can put into savings and, something that's scalable. So we're going to teach you different ways. I've got 2 ways I'm working on right now on how to make that money come in every month, and I'll be sharing that in the group. All right, so these are more bonuses. So if you come in at $1,000, you pay in full, you're gonna get 300 clicks of my top quality traffic, plus you're gonna get a one-on-one coaching call with me, all right? Because my one-on-one cost for a coaching call is $250. In that call, we're going to go over a strategy. I'm going to get to know you a little better, and we're going to map things out for you so you can really attack this program and have a lot of success on top of learning a lot of other skills. All right, and of course, if you get this bonus, you'll get bonus 1 as well. And the third level, if you come in at the $2,000 level, you're paid in full, you're going to get another program that David created within the funnel. It's called Funnel X Advance, and Funnel X Advance has 3 positions: $200 position, $597, and $1997. If you come in at the Vertex Live, the 2000 position, paid in full, you will get the $1997 leader position for free. And that's a big deal, because the leader position, it puts you in a special group with David, not the group that has 10,400 people. It's a group that has only about 250 people. Those are all the leaders. Those are the people that get more access to David. They're the people that can get the bonuses. Those are the people that get these special one-on-one webinars where David gives a lot of value, or he brings on somebody that can give a lot of value. Those are for the leaders, okay? It's pretty much his VIP group. All right. On top of that, you're going to get a 5-day vacation to one of several beautiful resorts in Mexico. Okay. Now I realize right now nobody's not going on vacation, but don't worry. Sanity will restore at some point, and you'll be able to vacation again. And when you do, there'll be a nice five-day vacation in Mexico waiting for you. Okay. So right now is a good time to work hard. You're home, you're quarantined, whatever. Learn a skill. Spend time on this business, because everybody else is home. They're looking for opportunities. This is a great time to work really hard, stack up some money, and when the world gets better again and we can travel, there'll be a beautiful vacation waiting for you. All right. So that's pretty much it. And for people out there that you don't have enough money, you're like, I love this program, Nick, but what am I going to do coming in at the $100 level or the $250 level? It's like, I want to make those big $1,000 commissions like you. No problem, because I do have a financing program. Okay. So at the $1,000 position, you can come in with as little as $350 down and $75 a month. So basically you'd pay me $250, you pay $100 for the administration fee for the $1,000 level. And then the rest, you could pay $75 a month for 12 months. So, and there's no prepayment penalty. So if a $1,000 sale comes in and you want to go ahead and pay that loan off, you can pay that loan off. If you decide that, hey, listen, I could use this money to buy more traffic and expand my business, go ahead and just continue to pay the $75 payments. So the choice is yours. So like I said, if a $1,000 sale comes in, it goes to you. It doesn't go to the company, because in EASY1UP, you collect your own payments. You could set up whatever methods you want. You can take credit cards, you can take cash, you can take Venmo, Zelle, whatever the case may be. There's so many different options on how to get paid. Bitcoin is big too. So if you want to do that as well. If you have any questions, you can call or text me. There's my number, 972-275-NICK. And you message me on Facebook. Facebook is typically the easiest way to get a hold of me. Just add me as a friend, but also send a message too. So when I see that message, I'll be like, oh, okay, so this person saw my YouTube video, whatever. Or you can also book a call. So you can book a 15-minute call with me on Zoom. We'll get on, we'll screen share, we'll talk for a little bit, get to know each other, and see if this program is a good fit for you, if working with me is a good fit for you, and what level that you should come in at. But like I said, my thing is, if you're going to get in this program, you might as well just get in at the $1,000 level, because the last thing you want to do is come in at like the 250 or the $100 level, and you're running traffic and a sale comes in and that person comes in at the 1,000 and the commission comes straight to me. I'm preventing that from happening right now, so you can get those commissions, right? Like, you would think that it would be beneficial. It's like, yeah, getting at one of the lower levels, because if there's a pass up, the money will come to me. But that's not how I want to operate. I want you guys to be successful. I want you to join me on that leaderboard. Okay. So I want you guys to get those $1,000 commissions too. And yep, that's it. So if you would like to join me on my team, the website is profitspassport.info. That'll redirect to my page where you can join my team. You can email me at support@nicholaslal.com, hit me up on Facebook, book a Zoom call. If you need traffic, if you're already in this business and you want top quality traffic, you can go to my website, nixclicks.biz, or yeah, for any other reason, if you just want to reach out to me, I'm more than happy to make friends. So you can just add me on Facebook as a friend, follow me and stuff until you're in a position where you want to do some sort of business with me. I'm always here to help y'all. So like I said, I started off really excited. Then I realized, man, it's 12:20. I'm tired. So yeah, but it was an awesome, great week, great 2 weeks. Like I said, I've done about 6,000. I haven't even started pushing hard yet. I mean, this is gonna hit another level here soon. I'm just really excited about the next couple of months ahead. So like I said, don't get lost in the news and in the media with the whole pandemic and the quarantine. I mean, hopefully we're getting closer to the tail end of this thing, but right now is a good time to pick up a skill, make some money, help change lives, and help change your own life too. All right, so this is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. Thank you very much. Take care, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.